For more than 40 years, Skov's ventilation solutions have created the best possible climate for the welfare and productivity of animals. Every day, Skov's ventilation systems ventilate millions of birds all over the world. Skov offers complete systems with mutually optimized components. In poultry production, there's only one correct temperature, and if it isn't maintained, optimum productivity cannot be achieved. The ventilation system of the livestock house must therefore be able to adjust temperatures, air humidity, and air velocities accurately. If these things are under control, the producer is well on his way to achieving uniform production, which is one of the most important factors for optimum production results. Skov's low-power ventilation system, also called an LPV system, is a reliable and energy-efficient solution for poultry production in temperate regions of the world. An LPV system is a 100% flexible negative pressure system which can be adapted to all types of poultry production. Air is taken in through wall inlets. The fresh air flows towards the ceiling in the house, where it mixes with house air before it reaches the bird zone. During cold periods, air velocity in the bird zone is kept at a low level to protect the birds from drafts. At the same time, moisture and excess heat are removed from the house air. The inlets are opened by advanced inlet control, causing fewer but stronger air currents. This makes it much easier to control air currents in minimum ventilation. All inlets open during hot periods. The broilers are still ventilated by the return air, but the higher air velocity means that they are cooled by the air velocity. At high temperatures, birds don't perceive air currents as draft, but as a cooling breeze. It is important that the performance of air outlet units is high at a low level of energy consumption. The design of Skov's air outlets is aerodynamic, and their function is optimized in combination with fans. The air outlet is regulated according to the multi-step principle, where one fan is regulated steplessly from 0 to 100%, while the rest of the fans are activated as required. We make a point of offering our customers energy-optimized fans. Skov's R&D department has combined new knowledge and research in ventilation and energy efficiency. The result is an energy-efficient LPC fan with a motor, regulating unit and fan blade designed and optimized in relation to exhaust units. The LPC fan is an energy-saving, pressure-stable and low-noise unit. Compared to a conventional negative pressure system, multi-step in combination with the LPC fan enables annual power savings of more than 50% in typical poultry houses. This means financial advantages in the form of lower electric bills, as well as an improved and more eco-friendly use of energy. Skov offers complete ventilation systems. A well-functioning system requires components which are connected correctly. Getting the most out of your system requires proper interaction between the components and therefore correct interlinking of the components. Skov mounting kits ensure optimally functioning systems as they include all the necessary parts in the form of washers, wires, screws, fittings, pulleys, etc. The mastermind behind the LPV system is Dole 534, Skov's advanced climate computer for poultry production. Dole 534 controls the climate via the PID principle. This way, the temperature in the house is quickly adjusted to the required level, ensuring optimum animal productivity. Dole 534 is available from Skov with all the parameters set up to match the requirements of the user regarding animals and productivity. The Dole 534 house computer is LAN-based and can be connected directly to Farm Online via a 100 MB Ethernet connection. Dole 534 is also available as a combined climate and production computer. This variant is called Dole 539. Besides controlling the climate, Dole 539 can handle all basic functions in poultry production, such as weighing birds, mixing feed, feeding, recording water consumption, controlling the light, and recording stocked and culled birds. High-pressure cooling is good for the animals and creates a pleasant work environment in the house. In hot periods, a cloud of water vapor may have a beneficial effect on the welfare and productivity of the broilers. Atomized water particles can lower the house temperature by 5 to 6 degrees Celsius, depending on the temperature outside the house as well as the relative humidity. Heating is part of the total climate solution. Similarly to cooling and ventilation, heating is a crucial parameter for creating the best possible climate in the house with a high level of productivity. With Spiroflex fin tubes for heating houses, you get an efficient, fast-responding heating system which creates a perfect climate for the animals. Farm Online presents climate data in an easily comprehensible graphic form. The key values for feed conversion and the PEF efficiency factor are displayed in a central display image. The presentation of both current and historical data enables users to keep track of developments at all times. This way, they can focus on houses or sections where production isn't optimal. The producer can change settings on climate and production computers from a central office, as well as monitor that this setup isn't changed. In case of an alarm, Farm Online enables the producer to take immediate and qualified action. Immediate action may ensure the welfare of the animals, as well as reduce or even prevent financial losses altogether. Skov offers a range of alarm units transmitting alarm signals via a local siren or the phone in case of irregularities. To protect the welfare of animals, Skov has an independent emergency opening system which opens the ventilation system in case of a failure. Emergency opening can be made dependent on how much the temperature is exceeded, so that the system opens gradually. Skov has delivered ventilation to animal production units all over the world. The knowledge and know-how gathered throughout this period has made Skov the industry leader. We work hard every day to maintain and strengthen our leading position, to continue being able to offer efficient solutions which meet our customers' needs. We look forward to assisting you in finding an energy and cost-efficient solution to ensure the productivity and welfare of the animals you take care of.